Ever wondered why your dog looks at you like you're their whole world? Dogs have more than 18 muscles in their ears alone. That's how they can hear you open a treat bag from across the house. And get this, dogs can actually smell your feelings. Yep, they can sense if you're happy, sad or scared. Here's a mind blower. Studies show that looking into your dog's eyes releases oxytocin, the same love hormone that bonds humans. You're literally making each other happier. So next time your furry friend gives you those puppy eyes, know that it's pure love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pawsome facts.